Gradually introduce core words with progressive language. Progressive language is a feature of the crescendo vocabulary that will help you slowly introduce language to an AAC learner while keeping the location of all the words in the same place. You can enable progressive language in options for any user with a crescendo, intermediate, or advanced core vocabulary level. To go to options, press the gear icon on the bottom right corner of the toolbar. Go to Vocabulary. Select Progressive Language. Now toggle Progressive Language on. Select the steps shown in green. You can see words added at each step. The last step is the step where all buttons in your grid are showing. Let's set progressive language to step 3. Sometimes you may wish to use the hidden buttons. Perhaps you are playing bubbles and modelling up. And you also wish to model down, but down is hidden in this step. To temporarily show hidden buttons, you use the Explore function. Tap the Tools pop-up in the left corner of the bottom toolbar. Then tap Explore. All words are shown. Now you can model up and down,
Up, down,
or any other hidden word.
different.
To turn it off, you tap the Tools pop-up again in the left corner of the bottom toolbar. When Explore is on, its border is highlighted in green. Simply tap it again to turn Explore off, and you return to your grid size with progressive language on. It is important to move AAC users to higher steps over time to expose more and more language, and eventually you can turn progressive language off.